And then what I started doing on the side, just on my own, was playing with the Weight Watchers app and seeing what the competitors are. And I would randomly ping my product manager, hey, I have an idea. Have you thought about this? And she'd be like, oh, this is cool. We'll see, something of that sort.
Yeah.
And I kept doing this. And then I also met with a bunch of product managers in the company, because the impression I got for the first time, this is like, as I said, my first entry into this world, is that my boss, the engineering manager or the senior engineers, they're not really contributing to ideas for the product. And of course, now I know how things work, but at that time I was like, why is this? Why do they only care about the code and not about what they're building? And this is something that you see a lot, at least in the bigger companies, that the engineering manager or the software engineers would only care about the code and the code quality, and they'll never like, oh, this is a feature we should build out.
Yeah.
And that's something that came naturally to me. I realized that I have some ideas on what we can build and what the competitors are doing and whatnot. So then I started meeting with these people called product managers, which I discovered at that time. This is a thing I didn't even know until then. And so I started talking to them and started giving them ideas, and I started doing research. It became like a weekly thing. I would just do my own research, go up to this PM who I had built a relationship with, and just show him my research. And then eventually he gave me like a side assignment. It wasn't even an assignment. It was like, it would be cool if you built a prototype for this and built a presentation. And I was like, sure, I'll do it this weekend. It's cool. That was 4th of July or something.
Yeah.
Then I think my second last week of the internship, I actually did the whole presentation in front of this PM and 2-3 other people. He just caught me off guard. He was like, you'll show this to me. And then he just got 2-3 other people too, who were like senior. And I did the presentation. It was around chatbots, which were big at that time. So I did that presentation, and this guy was like, this is great. We'll look into this more. We'll chat more. And the next week, this is my last week of the internship. On Thursday, this PM comes to me and he's like, hey, let's get lunch today. I want to say goodbye. I won't be around tomorrow. And I was like, yeah, let's do that. And this is someone I've been meeting every week in the builder.
Yeah.
So, obviously I'm excited and I want to do that. And so, he takes me out to lunch. He's like, would you like to come and work for... We're eating lunch, okay? And would you like to come and work for me as a PM intern? And I'm like, what? I was so caught off guard.
That is so exciting. I mean, honestly, like, I think you've really shown us that you can do so much more than just your day-to-day job, and like learn other things, show interest, and then also secure another following summer internship.